Good evening. Since very long I had been planning this Geospirit retreat alone, and today I am here at Kartal. This is the place where the Earth Center is going to come, and I feel very blessed having the support of my family. My wife and my children have come all the way and given me the support and asked me to continue the Geospirit retreat. Today it is Deepavali. It is called the Festival of Lights. Definitely, the darkness of Amavasya or new moon and the darkness that is pervading in spite of the illumination around the world need to be continuously driven off. In this regard, each person should dedicate, commit oneself, but commit oneself for a better world. And in this regard, we need leadership. The leadership with compassion, commitment, willingness, the person who can take risk, and many such leaders are required today. So Geospirit is a striving towards creating those leaders or facilitating those leaders, and I am committed for that. Thank you.